up guys, welcome back. In today's review, I'm going to review the lawn leveling rake here. It's 45 inch by 10 inch. It's made by Walensee. I believe Walensee is a Chinese brand. Nowadays everything's pretty much made in China, right? This is it has double hinge and it's heavy duty guys. So it's got a spiral connection and nice soft tip handle. It's also a heavy duty head structure and it's double welded, I believe. So let's open it guys, let's get started and see what this is all about here. Currently, you might ask, why do I need this? I currently have a project going on. I am working, leveling my lawn, bought about 16 tons of dirt. And I need something to level it. And I was thinking maybe I might even rig this up to the tractor with something like some chain or something, just drag and put some heavy weight on it. But yeah, look at this guys. Look at this. It came pretty much pre-assembled. You don't have to do anything because this is one piece. And a little thing about lawn level guys here. I want to show you, this is nice because it's just smooth. You see that? It's got no hinges, it's got no steps on it. So when you do go ahead and level the lawn, it's a lot easier on you from having to pull back and forth because it's even. So something to think about guys. So that's one of the reasons I did go with this. Now after use, you of course want to clean this up because this is steel. It does rust, so you want to clean it up, wipe it down so it doesn't rust. So here's your handle guys, look at this. Look at the heavy duty handle. It is thick, it's no joke, and it has some nice little cushion here. Okay, of course I'm gonna wear some gloves so that will help too. So you got, and this is adjustable. If you're too tall, too short, you can adjust this, I believe. Okay. So let's connect this here together. And you got also, let me show you here, of course you got your PDF stuff, your information here, okay? Your instruction how to assemble the item. Your bolts, look at this bolts guy, it's heavy duty. Looks like it's pretty simple to assemble. You got this goes in like this, and you got your, of course, your bolt. Let's see here. Okay, it goes in. It slides in. Okay, and then you got your lock, your screw here. Again, it's pretty heavy duty, guys. And I think it's not gonna long stick here. One here. You got the two bolts. Your two bolts here that goes. Pretty simple to assemble, guys. Okay, you got your washer. It's a lock nut washer. Yeah. Okay, they did give you an Allen wrench, so that's nice. Just lock this up again. This is lock nut washer, so that really helps it, locks it in place. I paid about $69 on Amazon. It's not a bad price. You go to a local box store. I did look at a couple of them. They are actually 60 bucks, and they're smaller. They're like 30 inches. This is 45, so you're getting almost 15 inches gain in length. And now we put this, let me double check this. this goes inside or outside? I believe it goes inside. Yes. Goes inside, you got your bolt. Now, you don't want it rust. They do sell stainless steel. I guess it doesn't rust as bad or less chance of rusting, but you're always gonna have anything metal will rust. Even though they say it doesn't rust, it will rust. Just something to think about. Yeah, they gave you even a larger. Oof. Look at this, guys. Nice. Extra long handlebar. Look at this. Wow. It's about 11 pounds, so it is heavy. But the heavier, you want the rake to be heavier. So the heavier the rake, the more even you'll get lawn when you level your lawn on top of the dirt. So what I think about this, I think, I keep bumping the handle here, guys. I think this is nice. It is very heavy duty. It's, again, I like the smooth of this. This is gonna make things a lot easier when you roll back and forth. The hinge is strong. Okay, you can see the nice welds, double weld on it. Yeah, overall, I'm happy with it, but I'll give you a demo here, see how it works. Give you a demo here on the Walensee rake, lawn rake here, leveler. So let's see how this performs here on this pile of 9 cubic feet of dirt here. This is, again, Walensee brand. It's 45 inch by 10 inch wide. So nice about it is I did try it already. It does have a smooth surface, so that helps when you level, helps make the slide right off the dirt. And when you do this, guys, I recommend you either can rake it first, get the pile down evenly. That's probably a little bit quicker, but I'm just gonna show you how this works here, back and forth. Yeah, it's nice that this is heavy. It's about 11 pounds, so it does push the dirt down so it kind of catches it. So when you have a little bit of weight, it helps. You can see I go back and forth. And also the smooth surface helps a lot. Helps go back and forth.